that we've got them in fairly clear water, the next thing we need to do is make sure that every single one is alive. And we would do the same thing with mussels. And I usually kind of clean them off a little with my fingers. Same with mussels. The way you know they're alive is that they are tightly closed. With mussels, they will open up in the water more than this. And you tap them if they're open. And when you tap them, they will close if they're alive. Sometimes they close slowly if they're really cold. Clams will do the same thing, but all of mine are closed right now. So I know they're good. When they're dead, they open up. It is very important to have live shellfish when you're cleaning them right before you cook them. Mussels also, they're a much more delicate shell than your clams. So sometimes they'll be bashed in a little bit. I tend to throw away any that are bashed in with like dents in them. A little crack is fine, but if they've got like a big dent in them, throw them away. It's not worth taking risks with shellfish. These guys, I don't know if we'll have any open ones. They all look pretty good. So the other thing with mussels, they have a beard, like a little fibrous beard on them. Clams don't. Apart from cleaning them and making sure they're alive, there's nothing else you need to do with your clams. But with mussels, you need to take the beard off. And in a mussel, the beard is coming out on the flat side. A mussel has a rounded side and a flat side. The beard, you're going to pull it tight. It's like a little piece of fiber. It's what attaches your mussel to either the rocks or in farmed mussels to the ropes that they grow on. So sometimes in harvesting, that beard has been pulled off, but sometimes it hasn't. So you gently pull it out and either pull it out with your fingers or use a little knife to separate it and throw it away. It's very fibrous. You don't want to eat it. So I'm going through my clams one at a time, making sure that they're all alive. And I'm actually going to cook them before I put them on the paella.